Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial about how to customize local tracking in Planet 4. So starting by showing you where to get more information about this. This is our global property documentation in Gitbook. Inside the implementation area you find the tracking global projects page, which also includes the information about local customization. First thing that I want to share is that every NRO will have access to a local Smartsheet table where you'll be able to customize your own values. So we need to start by connecting this table to your Planet 4 instance. So if we come here to Properties, you'll be able to see your Smartsheet ID. So we should copy this value, go into Planet 4 Settings, and input this in the new field that you find below. So we have here the Analytics Local Smartsheet ID. This already includes the value, the ID of the Brazilian table that I'm gonna use. So let's check here how our data is structured. We have the first dimension as the office. This will always be the standard value that we are using. The global project standards you can customize the way that is best for your local reporting. So you can use project values, you can use baskets, you can choose how you want to see this. Also interesting to connect this with a scope. So if this is a global project or it's a local one. And you also have the status, which you can define if this project is launched and running, or if this has already been closed. And as we're using for the global solution, you also have the local sync, which is the filter that we are using to allow the synchronization with Planet 4 or not. So as you can see here, I have created these 4 values, but only 3 of them are enabled to be synchronized with P4. So I'm going to head up here. I'm going to start by creating a new post. So the analytics and tracking fields are available in all Planet 4 content. And you have the second drop down, which is called Select a Global Project. So this is fetching the values that you have defined in Smartsheet. So as you can see, we have 3 values here that are exactly the same that we have allowed the synchronization. So let's say now that we have a new campaign launching and that we want to add a new value. So I'm adding this testing value here. This is a local campaign. This project is launched and I'm going to enable the synchronization. So saving this table now, I'm just going to head up here to the dashboard so that I can flush the cache. Important to mention that the API is fetching the values every 5 minutes, but just for this demo, I want to update this quicker. So we're going to start again by creating a new post. If we scroll down here, check the analytics and tracking fields, we'll be able to see that the local project now includes the testing value. So I'm going to select this post, publish this post. And I just want to show you again the Google Tag Manager preview mode so that you understand what's happening behind this. So the value that the editor has selected is being fired via data layer. We're capturing it with Google Tag Manager and sending to Google Analytics. So the variable that we are using is called glocalProject, which has the value that we have just selected. And also if we come here to the variables, you'll be able to see that the data layer variable that we created includes this value. So what you can do is that you can use this data layer variable to send the value as a custom dimension to your Google Analytics local property. And that will allow you to have more segmentation and reporting, more segmentation in your reports. So that's it. In case you don't want to sync a value any longer, you can deselect this, save. Again, the value will still remain if you haven't changed that. Just let me go back here to flush the cache again. So we're updating this. If we check the data layer, nothing has changed. So removing the synchronization won't affect the pages that have already a value attributed to. So we're just gonna edit this. And if we scroll down to the analytics and tracking fields, you'll be able to see that you also have the deprecated label in front of this value, meaning that it's no longer active in your Smartsheet table. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Also, any other suggestion to improve the local customization and improve the local reporting as well. Thank you.